when mosquito bites you, you have malaria, you rush to the hospital, they gave you drug, you take. And just remember, not only malaria cause headache, not only malaria cause fever, diarrhea, because all these things that we used to, whenever we are sick, we run to the hospital, they'll say, have you taken your malaria drug? You will say no, or say they will do test, they will tell you, you need malaria, they will write something, tell you take malaria drug, do this and that. You have to check infection, and you have to do other necessary tests that you have to do, because all these things that we used to do in Nigeria, we have normalized it. Yes, we know that in Nigeria, most of us are facing the problem of being bitten by mosquito. Yes, even some of us, we have thousands of mosquitoes inside our house, and that is why doctors have normalized it. Whenever you are sick, you are having headache, you are having fever or chills on your body, they will request that you do malaria test. When you go to pharmacy, they will not even do test, they will just give you malaria drug to take. Yeah, I know we are having the issue of malaria, but malaria is not the only thing that we are facing. Yeah, malaria symptoms is also similar to other disease symptoms or sickness symptoms. If you want to stop mosquito from entering your house, yes, if you want to prevent mosquito from entering your house, because prevention is better than cure. First of all, prevent mosquito from entering your house, the problem from beginning. Yes. First of all, do you know that there is insecticide that you can use outside, and it will stop mosquito like 2 weeks. It will chase away and kill all the mosquito outside to up to 2 weeks. This method lasts up to 2 weeks. This method I'm talking about, there is an insecticide there is this insecticide that you will buy and you spread it outside. But if you are doing this, you have to be very, very careful, because if anybody touch it, can be harmful, or if it come in contact with anything edible, it can be harmful. So when applying this, you have to apply it with care. This insecticide is normally sprayed on the walls, on the ground, inside the gutters. Yeah. After spreading this, mosquito will disappear even to up to 2 weeks. And we have 3 of this insecticide. Please, so that we already know of this electric mosquito catcher. It catches mosquito and dries it up. Yeah, you can use all these insecticide that we have, like the one you can use indoor. There's all these ones inside the market that you can use indoor. You can spread it inside your house. And please, when spreading this, you have to leave the room. Everybody in that room should leave and go outside. You spread it, and after spreading it, maybe some hour later, maybe if you are going somewhere, let's say you are going to market and your children has gone to school, or there's nobody in the house, then that's where you spread it. You go where you are going. When you come back, everything might be settled by then you can enter inside your house. Another one, I will not say use a net, because using net means the mosquito is already inside the house. And what I'm talking about here is preventing it from entering inside your home. Yeah. But if you already have the mosquito inside your home, you can use net. And if you are finding it difficult to sleep inside net, like me, because I don't like sleeping inside a net, if you're finding it difficult to sleep inside the net, you can buy the window net. Check it on Jumia. You will see this window net that has gum. Even the door net, you will see it on Jumia. You can place it on your window, place it on the door. It will cover it very well. You don't need to use nail, you don't need to call carpenter, you don't need to call anybody. Just open it. It has gum already. You place it on your door and your window, and this also can prevent mosquito from entering inside your house. Another one is stop opening your door anyhow. Don't open your door and leave it open. Don't open your window and leave it open, especially in the evening. Maybe let's say like from 6 or from 6 upward. you close your window, you close your door, because that's when mosquito comes out to enter in people's home. So close your door. So close your door, close your window. Don't open it open unnecessarily. Yeah, that also will prevent mosquito from entering inside your home. Yeah. Okay. Another method is that if you have any bush around your house, around your home, or you have any gutter around that you know that dirty water used to store in that gutter, or any dirty water around your environment, or any bush around your environment, please, if you can clear the bushes, then clear it. If you can drain the gutter from dirt, you can do that. And that insecticide that I talked about, that powerful insecticide that I talked about, that you can spread outdoor, you can spread it inside the gutter. You can spread it on those trees or flowers or bush around. It also chase away, kill the mosquito. Yes, I'm serious. I'm not joking. I mean everything that I'm saying here. Yes. Anyway, it's when you try it, you know whether I'm serious or not. But I'm here to solve the problem that we are facing. Yeah, we are facing some problem. Mosquito is one of our problems. You know, be happy. Try this, and you will see the joy of trying it.
Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yes, and comment what you think below.